Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelvin Johnson. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the tips and tricks in Outlook 2021 on how to mark a message as read or unread. So while working in Outlook, you may notice that some message will appear in bold. That here you can see. So that is Outlook way of letting you know that the message will remain unread. So when you click on that message, it will be marked as read. But there's a possibility to mark a message as unread even when you click on that message. So for example, if I click on this message and I read the message and I move away from it, I click a different message entirely, here you can see that the message is marked as read. So if you want to mark this message that is already seen as a read to be unread message, so the simplest way to actually do that is to just right click on that message, and here you can see we have the option called mark as unread. So we can mark that message as unread, and now you can see the message just turned bold. But we can also do the same to mark this message as read. Just right click and mark as read. So by clicking mark as read, you can see that the message will be marked as read. But you can also perform the same option, the same thing I just did right now, by going to under your home tab. Here you can see we have the tag group. So under the tag group, now I've selected the message, and if I click on read, you can see it just changed to bold, or read again. You can see it just changed to unread. But also I can also use the keyboard combination on my keyboard. For example, if I press the combination of Control plus U, you can see it's changed to unread. And if I press the combination of Control Q, you can see the message just changed to read. But let me show you something. If, for example, we have multiple messages here which are unread, and you want to actually select all the message and mark all the message as read, so what you need to do is, if for example I go to let me go to view. Under view, you can see under the focused inbox group, you can see we have the show focus inbox. So if I click on show focus inbox, you can see right now we have now the combination of all and unread. So if I click on read, you can see here it's going to show me all the messages that are not read. So let me just select go to all and unread. So if I click on read, you can see now we are now seeing all the correct messages which are not read. So what you need to do here is, if I just click on the first message, I can do Control A and then right click my mouse and then mark as read. You can see now all the message has been marked as read. So if I go back to all, you can see all our message is now seen as read. But mind you, there's a way. If for example I want to make sure that sometimes there are some email you just want to just leave as unread, so get your attention that message has not been seen. So the best way to actually do this is under my view tab here. Let me just try to make this message. Let me go back again to my Control U and just mark some message, Control U. You can see now this message has been changed to bold, telling me that I have not read this message. So if I go to my view tab under my layout group, here you can see we have the pane reading option. So just click on options. So what is going on here is this. You can see that it says mark items as read when selection change. So if I uncheck this and then click OK, let me just go back again to a read message. When I click this message and I move back again, you can see the message still remain that I have not read the message. So if I go back again, so the message just still remain the same. So this is actually going to give me a kind of a quick way attention that I have not actually read that message. But if I double click on the message, you can see by double clicking on that message, try to open that message on a new window, so it will now let me know that I've read the message. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson. These are actually the tips and tricks on how to mark a message as read or unread in Outlook 2021. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT videos. Bye.